The Moon, 384,000 kilometers away, 3,474 kilometers wide. You've seen it your whole life. But what if something else was up there instead? Something like this, or this, or this? I took 7 real exoplanets and put them exactly where the Moon is. Same distance. This is what the sky looks like. Kepler 22b, a super-Earth, 620 light-years from here. 2.4 times the size of Earth. Look at the size of it compared to what we're used to. It already feels wrong up there. We don't know exactly what it looks like. It could be a global ocean with no land anywhere, just endless water all the way down. LHS 1140b, 41 light-years away. Rocky, about 1.7 times Earth's size. It orbits a red dwarf star. The light it reflects is darker, redder. In the sky, it'd look like a coal ember that someone forgot to put out. It's bigger than the Moon, but reflects less light. You'd feel the darkness more than you usually do on a full moon night. This is one of the most studied rocky exoplanets we have. HD 189733b. And yeah, it's that blue. Not an artistic choice. That's real. It's a hot Jupiter, 13% bigger than our own Jupiter. The blue color comes from silicate particles in its atmosphere. It rains glass, sideways, at 8,700 kilometers per hour. At the Moon's distance, it would be roughly 11 times wider in the sky than the Moon. The gravitational forces alone would be enough to end things quickly for Earth. But look at it. Just look at it. HD 189733b. And yeah, it's that intensely blue and bright. It's a hot Jupiter, 13% bigger than our own Jupiter. That brilliant blue glow comes from silicate particles in its atmosphere, reflecting its star's light. It rains glass, sideways. But look at it. Just look at it. Kepler 2b, another hot Jupiter, twice the mass of Jupiter, and it is bright. Its upper atmosphere has clouds made of corundum, the mineral that forms rubies and sapphires. It literally rains gemstones. In this sky, it's the second brightest object. You wouldn't need streetlights. Nights would look like a very overcast afternoon. If the Moon was replaced by this, every culture on Earth would have built their entire calendar around it. You couldn't ignore it, even if you tried. And this is my favorite, WASP-12b. Its host star's gravity has stretched it into an egg shape. It is actively being consumed. In about 3 million years, it won't exist anymore. You'd watch it rotate and actually see it change shape. Different sides, different silhouettes. Nothing in history has ever looked like that in a human sky. Every ancient civilization on Earth would have looked up at that and completely lost their minds. And honestly, fair enough. 7 real planets, 7 completely different skies. And then there's ours. The one that's just the right size, just the right distance. The one that made all of this possible. Maybe we got lucky. Or maybe that's just what home looks like.